President of the World Anti-Doping Agency WADA, Witold Banka, says the two-day anti-doping forum, which starts on Thursday in Kingston, is aimed at bringing the other Caribbean nations into the fold at WADA.
The head of the Global Anti-Doping Watchdogs, WADA, Witold Banka, has singled out Jamaica through JADCO as the standard bearers in the Caribbean in the fight against the doping. This as Jamaica is hosting a two-day WADA conference at the Terra Nova Hotel in Kingston, which has attracted 14 ministers of sports and their delegations from 19 Caribbean nations.
This is our goal, this is our responsibility. That's why I've mentioned that in some Caribbean regions it doesn't look so good like in Jamaica. We have a very good relationship with JADCO, with Jamaica, very good collaboration. So that's why we've chosen Jamaica to be a, I would say, role model in the region, as an example of really good policy, positive development. So yeah, historical summit. I expect a lot of positive outcomes and discussions. I hope that the ministers will understand how important it is to create a strong anti-doping system in their countries. This is a matter of credibility of the country, and this is for good of athletes.
The WADA boss is hoping that governments across the Caribbean can play a major role in the fight against the doping.
Sure, of course. This is our goal, and I think this is our appeal to the governments to do more for the anti-doping. Unfortunately, still in the world we have some gaps. We have countries and regions with not so developed anti-doping system. So this is one of my goals and targets to speak with the ministers. I've already spoken with I would say more than 100 ministers of sport since I become the president. So this is my role, to appeal to them, to speak with them, to discuss how important it is. It's a matter of credibility, as I said, of the country. And this is very important for the athletes to have a level playing field, in different regions, different countries.
Witold reiterated that the fight against the doping goes beyond just the testing athletes.
You raised a very important issue. The anti-doping is not only about testing. Now the intelligence investigation is an extremely important part of our policy. We have a memorandum of understanding with Interpol, Europol, with different law enforcement from different countries. And it's really very important for us. Thanks to this good collaboration, we are able to catch the cheats, and then, it works well, I think.
The WADA president also stressed the importance of education as a key component in the fight against the doping. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.